In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time tracking in Asana. Asana is a fantastic tool for project management, and incorporating time tracking can streamline your workflow by helping you monitor exactly how long each task takes. Whether you're working solo, managing a team, or just want to enhance your productivity, understanding how to track time directly in Asana can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your project in Asana and ensure you're in the list view. Once you're here, look at the top of your table where your tasks are listed. On the right-hand side, you'll see an icon resembling a small plus sign. This button is found next to the last column on your list. By clicking on this plus icon, you're able to add new columns to your task table. It's a handy feature that allows you to customize your project layout according to your needs. Clicking the plus icon brings up a field options menu. From this list, select the time tracking field type. This is where the magic happens. As soon as you choose this option, you'll notice a new column titled Time Tracking appears immediately in your table. This column will become your central hub for all things related to tracking the time spent on each task. Now, with this time tracking column in place, you have two primary ways of utilizing it. Firstly, you can manually input time spent on your tasks. By doing this, you enter the number of hours or minutes directly into the field. It's straightforward and allows you to have control over how precise you want your time entries to be. Secondly, for those who prefer an automated approach, you can start a timer directly from this column. This feature is particularly useful when you want to capture the time spent on a task in real time. Simply hit Start when you begin working on a task and stop it when you're done. The timer will automatically record the duration, neatly logging it in your time tracking field. Once you've added all the time entries, manually or via the timer, Asana will keep a detailed log within this field. This makes it incredibly easy to review how much time has been dedicated to individual tasks or entire projects. Whether you're looking to evaluate productivity, manage project costs, or simply gain insights into how your time is being used, this feature provides a comprehensive view of your work activities. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. By integrating this simple yet powerful tool into your Asana workflow, you can effectively track and manage the time you and your team spend on tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy time tracking!